Work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me da, 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, my da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. So let's get into it. Today's video is being sponsored by QVR, also known as Queen Virgin Remy. And this is what their packaging looks like. And these are the items that you will find inside of the packaging. A cute little thank you card and giving some background information on this wig and how to follow them online. Also a thank you coupon code if you girls decide to order a wig from QVR, which girl, based upon the intro, get you one of these. And of course it comes with a edge brush to hold down those baby hairs. It comes with a QVR headband to help secure your lace down and melt that bad boy. Also it comes with a wig, of course, and this is what the wig looks like. It's this very beautiful ginger color, and one thing I can already tell, this lace is gonna melt. It's gonna eat. Like, look at it. It literally is not visible. Like, this is gonna be a crazy ass install. So let's go ahead and get right into it. And this is what the wig looks like freshly washed. As you can see, I am looking like, girl, we finna really try with this wig, huh? So this is a 26-inch ginger orange 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. I'm really looking like, girl, you really about to do this? Yeah, we about to do this. Alright, so this beautiful ginger orange wig, it comes on a Swiss lace in a light brown lace color. Also, I noticed that this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and I did not have to go in and bleach the knots, which I was very happy about. And I also love that this is on a Swiss lace. I have tried color, not a lot, but I have tried color wigs before, and just the lace just don't give. And one thing I will say, when it comes to these color wigs, the lace got to be on point. And so far, I can tell the lace on this wig is on point. Work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me da, 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, my da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like me, not. Okay, girl, all the lace is removed. Now it's time to get into the bust down. So I'm going to be doing a middle part, and y'all, like, the lace on this wig is insane. Do you see how invisible it is? Like, there's literally no lace. Like, unclockable. Where is the lace? So yeah, I'm gonna do a bust down middle part with layers in fluffy curls. So what I'm gonna do right here is go ahead and straighten my roots as much as possible. This wig does fit really, really good on my head, so I honestly did not have to go in and secure the wig down with this spray, but I just can't help myself. So that's what I gotta do. So I'm just taking the ends of my comb, or the end of my comb, and using that to press up against the lace in my skin so that it blends in even more. So yeah, girl, that's what I'm doing right here. Listen, this wig right here surprised the hell out of me. Like, I was kind of not wanting to try this wig at first, but it was a wig that they definitely wanted me to install. It's different. They felt like I could pull it off, and girl, so far I'm like, yes, we gonna have to work again, QVR, because y'all did y'all thing on this wig, and like, look at the hairline. there is, I did say earlier on that this wig came with a pre-plucked hairline, but I want to say it did not. I don't know, girl. I can't even tell. Like, the knots is so small on this wig, and the lace is just so transparent. Girl, I don't know what they gave me, but I like it, whatever this is.
Work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me da, 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 da. Cause tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking.
Now, I might be tripping, but I feel like this color got a lot brighter. I don't know, but I like it. Like, I felt like out the package, it was definitely giving more ginger, but this is orange, girl. So let's go ahead and get into how I cut my layers to get these fluffy, voluminous curls. So I like to use a razor comb. It's just easier to use, and I start off with framing my face. So I take a small section of my hair, and then I just cut going straight down. And you definitely want to make sure you're using a new razor. It just makes it a lot easier when it comes to cutting the layers. And I don't really go like in a specific section after I frame my face. I just take um, a good amount of hair and just go straight down. And I also make sure I don't take a lot off at the beginning, because of course you can get scissor happy and just cut off way too much hair, girl, and that ain't what we're trying to do right now. We're just trying to cut layers in the hair. So yeah, that's how I do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do it again so you girls can get into it.
You make a like me, I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, and my keys, and my passion. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was.
So yeah, layers is perfect. If I need to cut more, I'll do that after I curl my hair. So again, take a small section of the hair and cut going down away from your face, and then take another section behind the section that you just layered and do the same thing, girl. You can also use the section that you layered before to give you a guide on where to start your layers. Again, cut less, and then as you curl your hair, go back and add more if you need to. And then just start at the top of the hair and work your way down, girl, till you see them layers coming through. Now, I wasn't, I was okay with taking off some layers in this hair, or taking out some length in this hair, because this hair was really long, girl. And I really need my curls to pop with this wig. So that's why I was okay with being scissor happy. So, this color is real cute. I'm here for it. Okay, so now that I got all my layers in my hair, I'm going to go ahead and start curling my hair. So when it comes to curling my hair, I always curl my hair going away from my face. Yeah, girl, it's just what works for me, and I like that look. So yeah, I'm going to go section by section, not too many small sections, because I don't want my curls to be like super small and tight. I kind of want them to still be big and fluffy, so I'm just sectioning big sections of my hair, and if it's too big, I'll split it in two. And I think this is a 1-inch curling iron. I love this curling iron, by the way. I'll put the link below in the description bar.
To give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me da, 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, my da, 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 da. Beg you something, please.
what the hair looks like once it is curled. Super cute, and the curls look like they are super soft. They have a lot of sheen to it. Like, it looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the band. And now it's time to fluff out the curls. So I'm going to take my fingers and literally go back with my hands and start fluffing out the curls. Now, because this hair holds a curl really good, I can really play with these curls and the layers in this wig. So there was some pieces that I had to go in and recurl. For an example, the front of, oh my god, the front the front of this wig I had to recurl to get it to fall in my face the way I wanted it to. But the other sections of my hair, I did not have to go in and cut. I did not have to go in and recurl. And I played with this hair a lot. So I was really surprised at how well this hair held a curl. So here's a quick trick if you want a lot of volume in your bangs and you want your bangs to kind of sit up a little bit. Take your curling iron barrel and press it up against like the roots of your hair. It's hard to explain, but if you'll see it in the video where I literally take the front bang, press it up against the curling iron and bring it towards my face. That's how you get that volume and get your bangs to kind of lift up a little bit. Just an FYI. You can thank me later. And I'm just going to zoom in on the lace and the hairline so that you girls can really see it ain't no lace. Like, it's melted. It's gone. It's not there. This is crazy. Y'all, look at how beautiful this wig turned out. And the color is not bad. Like, the color is really popping. Honestly, I think the curls made this color look even better. And, of course, having the lace do what it do is going to always, give, period. So this is the final look to this gorgeous ginger orange wig. Definitely check out QVR Hair, period. They did their thing with this. Definitely did their big one. So everything will be below in the description bar. Thanks for watching. See you girls in the next video. Bye.